Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in to another Facebook account on your mobile phone. You open the Facebook app on your mobile. Here, we already have an account logged in, so we need to log it out. For that, click on the profile, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. Scroll down. Here, we find the Log Out button. Click on it to log out of this account. Now, our previous account has been logged out. To log in with a new account, click on Use Another Profile. Now, enter your email and password, then click the Login button. Click on the Save button. Then, click on Continue. Here, you can enter your email address or skip this step. Then, click on the Add Email Address button. A verification code has been sent to the email address. Enter it here. Then, click on the Confirm button. Skip the Find Friends option. This way, we have successfully logged into a new Facebook account. And that's it. How to log in to another Facebook account. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.